Hello wonderful people, I'm Vishwa and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I have got something exciting to share with you. Have you ever wanted to create short videos for YouTube but found it time consuming and complicated? Well, today I am going to show you how to do it quickly and easily using a free AI tools. By the end of this video, you will be able to turn any URL into a YouTube short in just a minute. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Now let's dive right in. Step 1. Create an account. First go to App.2short.ai, link in the video description, then log in with your Google account. After logging in, to convert a long video to a short video, we need a video link. You can use the link from Facebook, YouTube or other platforms. In this example, I am using YouTube link. Go to YouTube, copy any link of your choice and then paste the video link here. Step 2. Generate and edit video. The AI will generate a short video for you. Click on the preferred one from here. Click on Edit and then click on Export button. Now edit your short video. Click on Auto Crop. Auto Crop feature is designed to speed up the editing process by automatically detecting faces and ensuring that the active speaker remains centered. Select the output format from the setting. Auto Crop face. To add subtitles to the video, turn on subtitles, then select preset subtitle size, subtitles or subtitle position. For subtitle splitting, click on the one word subtitle. Next, click here to edit subtitles. Step 3. Download the video. Now everything is done, just click on the export button. Here is the result. Boring, so we can make these images interesting as well, just by adding falling leaves and generate. Wow, can you see this image? This is really beautiful, isn't it? If you want, you can just download it. This is our image. If you feel that face is not good, so you can just click on this face restoration. This is great. Click on the left video to learn how to create a horror story and earn money, or click on the right video to learn creating AI news channel using AI tools. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.